Welcome to HebeOn Technologies. I'm Anil Kumar. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate a new tool from HebeOn Technologies named as Code Context. This Code Context tool is basically used to test a particular person in the way of logical thinking. At the same time, this tool give you a very good programming knowledge for each and every person. This code context tool consists of three different modules where the modules are management module, faculty module and a student module. This is more about testing a particular user, I mean to say student knowledge, or any person can be able to find out a respective student logical thinking. And in this video I'm gonna demonstrate you how does we can able to use this tool, and how can we able to see a respective reports of a particular student. And along with this I'm gonna show you how to schedule an exam or how to see the reports, everything whatever it is includes in this module. The features of this module I'm gonna demonstrate in this presentation. Okay, now let's go to directly. I'm gonna see that. Right, let's directly we'll go to a application browser. We'll directly start from the place what actually we need to start. Okay, so I'm gonna start with an application of a code context. Here I'm gonna taking my local support, and you can have the same thing in your local machine also. Just to use it, no problem in that. So first thing is as a application, this application majorly, which if I'm considering the three modules, if I say a faculty module, right, this faculty, okay, let's see that this faculty module I'm gonna making into a couple of sub modules. The first thing is the faculty can able to set up the exam. First thing means what? A faculty can have a specific thing need to be scheduled, an exam for students. He can have a setup exam, so that after set up that exam, the respective students, let's consider there are a particular users. So I'm gonna use, there are a number of users are using it. Let's consider this is user 1. Let's see, and just want to schedule an example for different users here. Okay, this is user 1, this is sorry, let's see, user 2 and user 3. Okay, the moment a faculty is completed the exam setup, all the users can able to write their exam in a specific time period. This exam can have a specific time period, depends on the examination. We can set the examination time. It may be 1 hour, 2 hour, or depends on the question. Okay, once the specific time is finished, then automatically exam will be finished out. Once the examination is finished, the specific things will be updated on the database. Once the database is updated, it generates you the reports. Here we can have a one more submodule in the faculty, that is a reporting. Okay, now this report is available in the faculty module, where you can see the respective students data. You can also see the same reports in management also, and same time a user can able to see the respective result while they're writing an exam itself. Let's see, first I'm going to start as a faculty. where I'll schedule an exam first and then we'll go to a student, then we will write the exam for this. Okay, URL should be so and support number slash a faculty. Once you write a faculty, then username faculty, password so and so, then just says login. Now the moment when you log in into this, it shows you this login screen where it consists of couple of things. One is a profile, the second thing is exam setup, the third is reports by college and branch, and the last one is code context, reports by an exam, where this is the thing which is already scheduled previously. Okay, I'm not gonna use those things. Let's see, I'm gonna use a new exam. So I'm going to set up an exam here. All right, let's say a new exam here. It goes to a page and you can select a specific college, the college you have, and select the specific joining year. For example, if you want to schedule an exam for final year, the joining year is 2013. Just select the 2013 so that you can schedule an exam for final year students. And along with that, you can have other branches here. Select which branch you want to conduct an exam. I'm taking an exam for computer science. Alright, just select the computer science, and there is an option I'm going to give you here in which language you are conducting an exam. I'm giving a chance to write the program in two languages. One is Java and the other one is C language. Okay, and start time. Okay, when you're going to start. Okay, for example, I just want to schedule an exam from 10, 12, 2016, or let's see. Okay, I'm going to start an exam from now, and I'm going to exam this. I'm going to give a time to 10th. I'm going to give you a 2 hours time, or 1 hour, sorry. I'm going to give you, it's a 24-hour class. Just set exam so that it's take you 1 hour time to schedule an exam. Then once examination schedule is finished, say let's click on the button called add code context programs. Alright, so once the schedule an exam find here, right here there is one more option I'm going to tell you. Let's see, first I'm going to show you already file programs. Okay, there are a few programs which is already there in the database that we can load it here first. Okay, alright, so these are the programs which is already there in the database. Okay, I'm going to write an exam for a verify number. Okay, the moment when you find it, if there is something not there in the database, it shows you like this, or if something is there in the database, anything, select any language. Okay, select something called Fibonacci series. It's also remote. Swap number removed from the database. Series of sequence. Okay, let's see. First, we'll just make sure that because it's already there in the database. Now, this part will be of 3 things. Okay, one thing is before I'm gonna start about this, we just need to find out a very important factor of this is we are giving the things to the user, just need to write only a specific logic, just they need to write a code program, that's it. So the main method is already returned, and the challenge you have already there in the database, just need to give the challenge also, right? This is your regular output, this is your hidden output. Hidden output in something, say, where a student can able to find a fraud there, so I just don't want to do that. So to avoid it, instead of only in one output, I'm just giving you a couple of outputs, and input is so and so, right? Once it is checked all the things, and they say new, save new, so your program will be saved. Okay, your program is saved successfully. See that it's there in C. Let's see, I'm going to save in the same thing in Java also, because I'm going to give a chance to write in any language there. So let's see. So okay, a series of sequence. Okay, I'm going to say the same thing, right, because we just have it is there in the application. Okay, so this is an exam is scheduled for a couple of students, whatever you have. Now once it is done, okay, so you let's go for the let's see, let's see, go for home, and again let's go for because it's there in the database. I just have already application. Now what is my intention is I just want to go for an application where I have to write my own program, because I want to give a specific logic to be right to the students. Alright, so instead of that, just go for here another button called add new program, that is from your end itself. You can write, you can directly add a program from your end itself. Let's see, select the add program there. So it shows you a couple of things and which language you want to add. Okay, let's see, Java or C#, because basically you have to add in both. Once give all the fields, this is where a challenge of that. This is the code program, and this is the main method, regular output, hidden output, and what is the inputs. Okay, once you give all the things, just say save button, so that your program will be saved successfully. Right, this is what this has to done from user end. Okay, faculty, this is what the faculty has to do. Once faculty has completed this, go log out. Now let's give this to a user. Okay, just go for login.aspx, where the user can able to log in from here, where I'm going to check the username as HebeOn student there. Let's see, select that. Alright, so once you've done it, it just show you like this, and I just want to write a code in a C language or Java or whatever it is. Alright, select the specific thing. Alright, so write the logic whatever you need. Okay, so here a user has to any logic is doesn't matter. Okay, it just matches the information with your input and the respective output. Unless or until these two conditions are satisfied, you can't able to get the proper output. Simple as that. Okay, so what is the basic thing is, if you give an input number as 4, it has to generate the series like this: 64, 125, 216, and 4343. This is what the expected output. So fun thing like that. Okay, so let's see, I'm gonna write something, print message hello. Okay, if I say print message hello, this is what the printed here. So because it's not matches with the expected database. Okay, so for that you need to write a logic here actually. Right, the logic is very simple. You just need to pass the number. Okay, number need to have, okay, if you observe this series, it's pretty simple. It's a multiply 3 times of 4, 3 times of 5, 3, I mean to say 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, and 7 cube. Okay, initially it has to start from 4 cube, then it goes to 5 cube, 6 cube, and 7 cube. Okay, just write the logic. Alright, okay, just take any language, whatever it is. You can take a for loop or whatever it just need to take. Just take the loop count here. Right, so first thing is I just want to define a variable I, which starts from 4 actually. Okay, so then I'll define one more variable which is used for local variable. A is equals to 0, which has to repeat for number of times. Okay, so just need to go for a plus plus, where say printf. Okay, I just want to print the message of, okay, I is equals to, because I just need to multiply with, okay, let me do one thing. Right, just remove this. Right, I just need to write a percentile d I cross I. Right, pretty simple. Once you've done it, just increase the number. Simple as that. Alright, just simple logic, and you just need to write. Once you run this code, okay, so just take a couple of seconds time to build the solution, and it's come up with the respective output, where if the logic is succeed, it shows the status here, all green symbols, once that logic is correct. Okay, so here very simple guys. A is equals to 0, I'm writing just number is 0, 0 less than 4, it's because you are passing a number as 4. Imagine that, because your input need to pass it as 4, because the first time this is a hidden test case. This hidden case will not be shown to any other user. We just need to implement this logic not only for one, we just need to keep testing to multiple things. Okay, it may correct for 4 or it may not be correct for 6. Okay, that in that case we just need to test all the hidden cases also. So imagine that you're passing as 4 as an input to this. 4 is equals to a is equals to 4, a is equals to 0, a less than 4, a plus. Every time you are printing the multiplications of 4, then it will increment, it becomes 5, like that it will be repeat. I keep on repeats until or unless the condition is getting false. Once it is done, this is about the user module, where you can do whatever thing. Once the examination is finished, because the examination end time is 6 o'clock, right? Here it shows the examination before the examination going to end, it shows you alert message somewhere, you have a 10 minutes left or 5 minutes left or something like that. Okay, once you've done it, just log out as a user. You want to see the reports. Once again, you can go for a faculty. Okay, so I'll just see demo things. All right, so just see that when you deploy it into your server, then you can do whatever the real things. So just say select the language. Okay, just select any language whatever you need, right? And just see this is what the application output, where it shows the respective output. Now you want to convert that file into Excel. Just click on this button, it shows you into the Excel format. Same way you can see the same results in your management module also. Okay, just log in as a management there. Just log in as a management and just see that faculty reports there. All right, let's see faculty reports, and you can just find out the respective year, the things whatever you have. Okay, let's see computer science, just already scheduled an exam. Okay, so just see that results of a particular user there. Okay, this is how it basically. Okay, thank you for listening. Have a nice day.